Want to stream YouTube TV on your Panasonic Smart TV? This simple guide will show you how to set up and enjoy YouTube TV with ease. Step 1. Check compatibility. White heavy checkmark ensure your Panasonic Smart TV is running Android TV 2017 or newer models. White heavy checkmark makes sure your TV is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Install YouTube TV on Panasonic Smart TV. Keycap 1. Press the home button on your remote to access the main menu. Keycap 2. Open the Google Play Store from the menu. Keycap 3. Search for YouTube TV in the search bar and select the app. Keycap 4. Click Install to download the app to your TV. Keycap 5. Once installed, open the app from the home screen or apps section. Step 3. Sign into YouTube TV. Keycap 1. Open the YouTube TV app. Keycap 2. Select Sign in on the welcome screen. Keycap 3. On your smartphone or computer, visit youtube.com/start. Keycap 4. Enter the activation code shown on your TV. Keycap 5. Sign in with your Google account linked to YouTube TV. Step 4. Explore YouTube TV features. Once signed in, you can white heavy checkmark browse live TV channels and enjoy on-demand content. White heavy checkmark access your DVR recordings to watch saved shows. White heavy checkmark use the search function to find specific shows or movies. White heavy checkmark adjust video quality settings for optimal streaming. Step 5. Troubleshooting and AMP optimization. Small blue diamond app not working? Try restarting your Panasonic Smart TV or reinstalling the app. Small blue diamond slow streaming? Ensure your Wi-Fi connection is stable or consider using a wired Ethernet connection. Small blue diamond no sound or video. Check the audio and video settings on your TV. Bonus tip. For the best experience, adjust your display settings to optimize brightness and contrast when watching YouTube TV. Enjoy YouTube TV on your Panasonic Smart TV. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials. Hit the bell icon to stay updated.